It's David.
And Russell.
We're back at the Crystal House here at our newest listing, apartment 1201 at 200 East 24th Street. Here are the 5 things I love.
3 true bedrooms. Unbelievable
Closets.
luxury primary bath.
True chef's kitchen.
And a spacious living room. I'm Russell Schneiderman, and I'd love to show you our latest listing at the Crystal House.